see the car through the window. Emperor, I'm gonna try to reel the car in, but I'm gonna need your help. I'm starting to get kind of queasy. You get the rope. We're gonna hook it. Whoa! Car Ralph. What? You give me a car Ralph? It's Ralph.
Understand that I'm a part of this now? If the what? She can steal a car?
Yeah, worth $45 million made out of gold.
Gold? It's worth $45 million?
Give or take $10 million. All right, come on.
No, we'll take the elevator.
So what do I have to worry about me taking it away?